Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on this tutorial on inputting the strategy parameters. Here's a little risk disclaimer. And the instructions for the strategy parameters. You need to start NinjaTrader 8 platform. On the control center right here, you'll select New and then Chart. And then when you select that, a pop-up box will appear. And then you just select what instrument you want to trade, if you're doing futures or indexes or whatever it is, and then just press OK after you select it. Then you select the strategy that you downloaded from the platform that we had provided you from the first video tutorial on the algorithm. So you would just go to the chart, just right click anywhere on the chart, and this box should appear. And then you just press strategies and select the strategy right there. Move this here. And then you just press add. And with the information we provide you in the morning that we identified, you'll just add your long entry price here, your long bullish entry price, and how many contracts you'll be trading, like 5, 10, or 20. And then you'll put a stop price in, whatever your stop price you want it to be would be. For the long stop price, you'd put a price below that. And then the additional price or the additional ticks is almost like a price, but we kind of use that in stocks more often. So you can either put that or with the price, like 15060, or the ticks amount. And then you put your first target. You can use ticks displacements if you want, and then how many contracts you're scaling out at this target. And then you'll put the next target in, and then you'll put whatever contract you want to scale out again, and so on. And then for your short entry bullish price, with whatever information we provide to you, you just put the entry price right there, the quantity amount, your short stop price, and either your short stop price or the additional ticks. And then you put your targets in and the quantity that you want to scale out at each. And then you check mark this if you want to enable the trailing stop loss, and then just the max distance you want of ticks from the candle out while it's moving. So if you want like 5 ticks or 6 ticks or 20 ticks, or whatever that comes out to be in points. The button that pops up is just a distance from the left margin, how you want it. You could move it like 5 or 10, whatever is best for you. And then you could put a daily target profit that you want to make. And once it gets to that point, it'll just, stop letting you trade, or the daily maximum loss that you want to lose, if it's going to be 500 or 1,000 or 10,000 or whatever you want. And also here you can put, if you're wanting to play different sessions in the market, you can put the start time you want it to, the algorithm to start, and the end time, and the second session you want it to start and end, and the third session. This is going to be in 24-hour periods, so 8 o'clock would be 0800, and then midnight would be 23:59. This is if you want to have all the positions close at a certain amount of time. Like if you're only playing it till 3 or 4 p.m., you'll put like 16:0000, or 15:00. And you just right here on the data series, whatever instrument you're playing on the time chart and the time frame, And here's the account if you want to just put a simulation account, a playback account, or whatever account you're using. And then make sure this is enabled if you want it to start. But then right here on strategies, when the strategy comes up, you'll have a little box right here that you can check mark to enable it and disable it. And you can also check this box to make it just, if you forget to write a time, and you can just put whatever time the session closes, and you can just check mark that. And then you just press apply and OK. But if you want to save all the settings you have for that day or that instrument, just go to the template right here, and then you press save, or it'll say save as. You can put the date or whatever you want to save it as. So, you know, when you're doing a lot of them, you don't have to go back and input all the numbers all the time. So yeah, once you save that, just press apply and then OK, and then pretty much you're ready to go. If there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Let me go right here. Yeah, if there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll help you as best as we can. All right, thank you and good evening.